Good morning, dear student. Today, see, we are going to discuss electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell. About electrochemical cell, we have discussed in our previous lecture. Now, in this topic, we will see the construction and working of electrochemical cell. How electrochemical cell works, clear, and construction in brief we will study in this lecture, clear. So come to the today's topic, electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell is also called galvanic cell. As we have studied in our previous lecture that electrochemical cells are the devices which convert, किस एनर्जी को किस में ये कन्वर्ट करता है, ये इसमें देखिए केमिकल एनर्जी है, केमिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्ट होता है इलेक्ट्रिकल में, बिकॉज दिस टाइप ऑफ सेल्स और बैटरीज आर यूज्ड इन इन्वर्टर, इन कार्स टू ग्लो बल्ब, अंडरस्टूड. So these are the devices in which spontaneous redox reaction goes on. Spontaneous means खुद से ये रिएक्शन चलता रहता है, एंड इसमें केवल अभी केमिकल्स है, और ये केमिकल जो है, ये केमिकल एनर्जी, केमिकल्स में जो एनर्जी स्टोर्ड है, केमिकल एनर्जी, दैट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल, क्लियर. सो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल्स को हम लोग डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, द डिवाइसेस इन विच, ऐसा डिवाइस इन विच केमिकल एनर्जी ऑफ स्पॉन्टानियस रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन, इसमें चलने वाला जो रिएक्शन है स्पॉन्टानियस रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन है, उस स्पॉन्टानियस रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन में जो केमिकल एनर्जी रहता है वो कन्वर्ट होता है, इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, आर कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल्स. तो इस तरह के सेल्स को इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल्स कहते हैं, जिसमें स्पॉन्टानियस रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन जो चलता है उसके चलते इसमें जो स्टोर्ड केमिकल एनर्जी है दैट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. So this is the definition. In this way we can define the electrochemical cells. Clear? Now come to the construction. See, as in diagram you are seeing here. See, it consists of two beakers. This is consists of two beakers. See, two beakers. So come to the construction. Construction is the arrangement. The whole electrochemical cell, the arrangement consists of two beakers. See, this is two beaker, one of which contain 1 m solution of zinc sulfate. इन दोनों में से out of these two beaker, one beaker which is at left side, in that which ZnSO4 zinc sulfate. This beaker contains zinc sulfate whose concentration is 1 m. We are discussing the simplest form of electrochemical cell. Please remember this. See, so one beaker which is at the left contain 1 m zinc sulfate solution. Clear? Another beaker, see, and other right hand side, the beaker which is at right hand side, and other 1 m CuSO4 solution. In another beaker, which type of solution is there? CuSO4. So in another beaker contains CuSO4 solution with concentration 1 m. 1 m means 1 molar, means that implies that 1 mole of electrolyte is dissolved in the solution. Clear? So in these two beakers, two different electrolytes have been taken. In one zinc sulfate, another on right hand side copper sulfate. Next we see a zinc rod is dipped into ZnSO4 solution. The beaker which is at left, in which contains zinc sulfate. In that this electrode, see, this electrode is of zinc. A zinc rod is dipped. Clear? So a zinc rod is dipped into ZnSO4 solution, into the beaker containing ZnSO4 solution. In the same way, and while copper rod is dipped into CuSO4 solution, the beaker which is at right side which contain 1 CuSO4. In that copper sulfate, in that copper rod is dipped. One copper rod is dipped. Please remember this electrolyte should be such that it contain same ion. It contains same ion as the electrode. Means इलेक्ट्रोड जिस मेटल का है उसी मेटल का आयंस इसमें प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए। इसलिए इसमें कॉपर है तो ये CuSO4 रहेगा, जिससे कि जिसके स्प्लिट होने से विच विल डिसोसिएट टू गिव कॉपर Cu2+ आयन। क्लियर, जो कि मेटल रॉड का है। नेक्स्ट इज दीज मेटालिक रॉड्स आर नोन एज इलेक्ट्रोड्स। ठीक है, ये दोनों मेटालिक रॉड, लेफ्ट में जिंक रॉड, राइट में कॉपर रॉड, ये दोनों मेटालिक रॉड्स कलेक्टिवली बोथ आर कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोड्स। इन दोनों रॉड्स को एक साथ इलेक्ट्रोड्स कहा जाता है। सो दीज आर इलेक्ट्रोड्स। नाउ सी दीज इलेक्ट्रोड्स इन टू बीकर्स आर कनेक्टेड टू emitter. Now external circuit, look at the external circuit. These two rods which are dipped in two beakers are connected to an emitter. Function of connecting this emitter is that to know the passage of current through the cell. Cell से कितना current pass हो रहा, that can be measured. So connected to an emitter A to know the passage of current, which flows in a direction opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. As in class 10th we have studied that current is due to flow of electrons. In this cell also current flows, and current flows from, as we know from class 10 physics, that current always flows from positive to negative. So it will flow from, say, positive electrode is your cathode copper rod. So in this cell current will flow from copper rod toward zinc rod, or in another way we can say from cathode toward anode. This is the direction of flow of current in external circuit. Clear? Acha, one trick is there to remember which electrode will be cathode, which will be anode, which will be oxidation half cell, which will be reduction half cell. So to remember all these things in short, see, one trick is there. This word you might have remembered load. See, once again, load, LOAN, load. L stand for left, O stand for oxidation, A stand for anode, and N stand for negative. So you can remember this one for electrochemical cell. It is applicable in electrochemical cell. See how we can apply. Left means the beaker which is at left. In that will be oxidation half cell. See, this is oxidation half cell. LOA, A means anode, means the beaker in oxidation half cell, the rod which is dipped, that electrode will be anode and anode will be negative. So if anode will be negative, just reverse these things. Anode negative, cathode will be positive. Clear? Now at the end, these two beakers are connected. See, the electrolytic solution present in two beakers are connected through a inverted U shape. उल्टा U आकार जो है, inverted U shape glass tube जो है, ये दोनों इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल को कनेक्ट करता है इंटरनली। ठीक है, और इसमें कुछ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट भरा रहता है जैसा KCl, KNO3 वगैरह, इसमें भरा रहता है। दिस इज नोन एज सॉल्ट ब्रिज। सो देयर इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल ऑफ सॉल्ट ब्रिज इन इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन लेटर क्लासेस। The solution in two beakers are connected to an inverted U-shaped। ठीक है, दोनों इसमें इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल में, दोनों हाफ सेल में उपस्थित जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन है, दोनों को जोड़ा जाता है थ्रू अ U-shaped, inverted U-shaped glass tube called salt bridge. So both the electrolyte present in both the half cells are connected through a U-shaped, inverted U-shaped glass tube called salt bridge, which completes the internal circuit. This is internal circuit. Clear? Salt bridge containing saturated solution of some electrolytes such as KCl, KNO3 See, in salt bridge, KCl or KNO3 is filled which is mixed with gelatin or agar-agar to make it semi solid. Because क्या होता है ये salt bridge में KCl अगर हम लोग aqueous form में डाल दें, ठीक है, लिक्विड फॉर्म में, then when it will be inverted, जब इसको हम लोग उल्टा करेंगे तो it will flow, ठीक है, ये दोनों फ्लो कर जाएगा, इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक इसमें जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट है वो फ्लो कर जाएगा. सो इन ऑर्डर टू प्रिवेंट इट, टू मेक इट सेमी सॉलिड जेल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, ताकि वो फ्लो नहीं करे, इट इज मिक्स्ड KCl और KNO3 इज मिक्स्ड विद अगर जेल और जिलेटिन. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस वर्किंग, how it works.